Hi, Miss Lisa. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Melissa Sarili Dapol. I'm 39 years old. I live in Bagumbong, Caloocan City, and I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two sons. My eldest son is 14 years old and my youngest son is 10 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have seven and I'm the third of them.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I'm working in Saudi Arabia in 4 years and finish contract. And duties and responsibilities, I can cook, I can clean whole house, I can ironing. I will do my best man for my work.
How will you describe yourself?
I'm a trusting person and I'm honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have in my chest.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgeries?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because to give my son's needs and my mother's medicine.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Can you give us your idea on how will you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I give more understanding and more patience.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes.
Can you give me a sample?
My head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
What is your message to your future employer?
Thank you for accepting me as your housemate. And I can wait to see you, madam. Thank you.